Mr. Speaker, how you doing? You did it. Yes, it is.
My grandmother's from London.
So would I hold my hand up like
Yeah,
this?
you look at her right there.
Okay.
All right? It's just two.
Is my hand ready?
Do you want to put your hand down?
Okay.
You're going to sneeze? Is that it?
Yeah.
All right.
He's sneezing. Closer, closer. Okay, Paul, thank you.
Awesome, Roger. Take care, Roger.
Yes, sir.
I'm Paul. Nice to see you. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Thanks, Ron.
Nice to meet you.